Imagine you find yourself in a position at work where you are the only person who has mastered a critical system, or perhaps the only one who has built and maintained essential relationships with key clients. Whenever something significant needs to be handled, all eyes turn to you, because you are not just helpful, you are essential. And deep down, you recognize that without your involvement, the entire operation would struggle to stay afloat. Or imagine you are in your personal life, and the people around you constantly come to you for advice, support, or guidance. They trust you. They lean on you. At first, it feels rewarding. You feel respected, appreciated, even loved. But what you are actually creating, whether you realize it or not, is not just trust or admiration. What you are building is a deep dependency that binds people to you, securing your position and influence in their lives. Robert Greene, in Law 11 of the 48 Laws of Power, teaches a powerful and sometimes uncomfortable truth. Learn to keep people dependent on you. In the world of power, your greatest protection is being needed. As long as others depend on your unique skills, specialized knowledge, key relationships, or steady leadership, you remain irreplaceable. No matter how people feel about you personally, whether they like you or not, necessity keeps you at the table, because they simply cannot move forward without you. But the moment you allow yourself to become fully replaceable, when you share everything, give everything, or let others see that they can succeed without you, you lose your leverage. Your influence begins to fade, often much faster than you expect, because power is rarely about loyalty alone. Power endures when people feel they have no choice but to keep you close. This does not mean you should manipulate, exploit, or harm others. Instead, it means you should think strategically. You should work to build a foundation of value so essential that your absence would feel like the collapse of something vital. How can you apply this law in real life? At work, choose to master a skill or area that no one else has fully owned. Depth of expertise creates security, because you become the go-to person when it matters most. In teams, become the individual who connects pieces that no one else fully understands, whether that is managing key relationships, seeing the broader picture, or solving the problems no one else can solve. In personal relationships, focus on consistently proving through your actions that you are someone worth relying on. At the same time, protect certain strengths or insights that ensure people still have a reason to seek your guidance and presence. Ultimately, the key is not to create artificial dependency. The goal is to build genuine value that others recognize they cannot easily find elsewhere. As Robert Greene puts it, never teach them enough so they can do without you. That is not selfishness. That is what keeps you safe in a world where power often comes from being necessary. Have you ever made yourself too replaceable, only to see your influence or position disappear? Or have you experienced the strength that comes from knowing others truly rely on you because of the unique value you bring? Share your story in the comments. Your experiences might help others learn how to navigate the delicate balance of power and dependency. If you find these lessons from the 48 Laws of Power helpful, like this video, subscribe for more, and always remember, know the game, play it right. That's power.